Well, this is a very dangerous storm coming. This is just in front of it. Oh, look at the deer. Aww. Those are dark deer. What kind of deer are those? See those ominous clouds, how fast they're moving. And this tree, it's actually shaking a little. There has been stronger gusts. Oh, here's a little tiny gust. I think it's so cool how there's so many deer just running out through the field in the middle of a big storm. I mean, look how fast this is going. Whew. I saw a deer out here earlier. Oh crap. And look at this, it's just ripped part off of the trampoline from these wind gusts. And look at this, this was here. It flipped, skidded through the dirt. Oh, that gust. Ooh, iPad shake. And way over there, I can see a fallen limb. Then the chairs have blown over, these have blown over, and they say it's supposed to be way worse overnight. Ooh. And the main winds are coming from this general way, the south. There's been some gusts over here in the west too. It's really weird. This tree is really old, so it's dangerous because it's tall. And this dead tree up here too. But these little trees are really weak. They could snap like a twig, which is scary. I mean, look how fast that barometer's going. Oh, big gust. This is the wind gusts are so strong that it's blowing these fence things, making them squeak. A couple times, one down there has popped out. Out front, it's not as bad. And it's a little windier out front because of the open street. We can go right on up the street. But we moved our mums up there, so they can look over easily. Looks like they took down their swinging pot. There's still another one over there. So far, all I see is a bunch of leaves. Well, it's definitely getting way worse. Oh, here comes a big gust. This tree is big and old too. I can only see the top of it move. That stump over there used to be 2 trees across the street. One fell in 2008 due to the after effects of Hurricane Ike. Oh, these trees are really blowing around.